Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Sangma ula pentip ba ka Sorkar Jingpynkylla bat penbha yaki Kyndon Jong Meghalaya Identification and Registration Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act knang ban pentikna ba ka an kan sya pentre kam hok bat ha karukom ka basai. Konrad ula pensyai bakat kum gini ki Jingpynkylla ki nong trei ki bawan bela na syabar Kajala kin hab ban penrung kerteng kat kum ki Kyndon jong ka an. La pensyai ru ia karukom pet benia ha kaba ki labor officer ha ki district Kyndon kabor ban let jurep ki karkhana bat ki jakatrei ni ki construction site. Knang ban pensisha la ki nong trei kila da penrung kerteng ne em. Ki Kyndon bathamai kila batai syai ru ia ka kerdan bakabor jong ki officer ki bala ban penlong ia ka jingpet benia kentup ru ia ki kam ki bakila ban le ha kapor jong ka jing jurip. La pensyai kini ki Kyndon hadin ka jing yo jing ai jing mut na ki officer ki batrei ha ka kerdan grassroot. On penlong ru ki program ai jing hikai nak benta ki officer bat ki wei ki badan benta knang bakin so thu bhai ki Kyndon bat la ban pentrei kam ye ka an ha karukom ka basai so.
Where the labor officers and could in the district level could go and check the different factories or different construction sites where the laborers could be working and check whether they have registered or not, and if they have not registered, what kind of penal actions to be taken. So those had to be clearly defined in the rules. So we had come out with the rules, but there was still some clarity missing. For example, we had said officers will go. So the question was, who are these officers? What level of the officers can go? So we defined that. So the officer has to be this level, and this is. And when they say that officer can act, what are the things he can act? How will he or she can act? What are the powers they will have? So we defined that in the rules. Then we said that the fees, the penalty will be up to 1 lakh. So the question is now, is it going to be immediately 1 lakh, or are you going to do it in an escalation manner in which there'll be a first level where you suppose you offended once, then X amount, offended twice, X amount, offended thrice, then there will be imprisonment also, and there'll be a higher fine. So these kind of more clear definitions were required, based on which the concerned officers would be able to actually start implementing this act, which has been already passed. But because of the non-clarity in terms of certain aspects of the rules, the officers were not able to move forward. There was a bit of confusion. So we went ahead and we have cleared those confusions based on the inputs we received from the officials at the grassroots level. And we're very sure that now with this and the training that we'll give to them, that the actual implementation of this particular act will be in place.